Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks, so we want to draw the PV and TV diagram. The information given is that we have a rigid tank that contains water. Initial state is 300 kPa and 250 degrees Celsius. It drops to 150 kPa. Okay, so draw the two diagrams with the final states with the saturation lines and the curve. Draw the isotherm passing through the states. Okay, step 1, we can skip the free body diagram, there is none. Step 2, list all the given variables and find the unknown. In this case, the unknown is actually the diagram, so the PV and TV diagrams. In order to draw these diagrams, we need to know the specific volume for the initial state, and we need to find the final temperature for the final state. So that's what we'll do. So we go to our table using the initial pressure and initial temperature. Go to table and we can look up the specific volume. Step 4, find the final temperature using the given values. So final pressure, and then we can find the final temperature from table. So now that we've got the final temperature, we can now plot it. So in a moment I will open up Python and it can draw the plot and we can zoom in and see the values. Okay, so we've got the saturation curve, we've got the line passing through it. Okay, and then the same for the TV diagram as well. Alright, so I'm just going to open up Python now so we can zoom in and have a look at the values. Okay, so this is our two diagrams. So we've got PV and TV. So as you can see, we've got our initial and final pressures. So we start off at a superheated state, and then we're gonna cool down to a saturated region. Alright, and it gives us the specific volume that we found as well. The volume will be constant because it's a rigid container. Okay, so TV diagram. So we have our initial temperature 250, and then this 111.35 is what we found in that table. And as you can see, we've got the saturation curve and the lines crossing through. Okay, so back to the tutorial. So these are your two graphs. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you have any other questions, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section before we leave. I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC, just in case this channel or video gets taken down while I follow copyright laws. Sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac or Linux, use the equivalent of a snipping tool. So click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on new, click on video option, then new. Then cover the YouTube screen, left click and drag it. Hit the start button, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square to stop recording, and then save the video. Alright, as mentioned before, do the YouTube stuff, like and subscribe. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.